A parade of new Puma helicopters at RAF Odiham marked the recent reformation of the celebrated 33 Squadron under the command of Wing Commander F.D. Hoskins. Puma is the first Anglo-French aircraft to enter service with the RAF, and 33 Squadron are taking to them like ducks to water. Superseding the smaller Whirlwind, the versatile Puma has a maximum speed of 167 knots and can carry up to 16 fully equipped troops. The helicopter's many roles will include that of gunship, cargo carrier and air ambulance. Equipping the reborn 33 Squadron with the new Puma marks a new phase in Anglo-French military cooperation.